Today I'd like to introduce you to the new stack by Stacks called 2FA for PageSafe. What 2FA for PageSafe does is, it allows for two-factor authentication to be added to a PageSafe protected website. In this example, I have a very simple web page built with a PageSafe, site styles, a container with a column, and a simple header. The PageSafe is set to the default settings with the passcode of 1234. To add two-factor authentication to a PageSafe, I simply drag the 2FA PageSafe stack onto the page below the PageSafe stack. The settings are fairly simple. You have the iconic Show Instructions in Preview checkbox, a Generate Secret Key in Preview checkbox, Secret Key, 2FA expiry time, tries, and background color. If I preview this page, you'll see that there is a Generate Secret Key button, which is toggled by this Generate Secret Key in Preview checkbox. Underneath that you have the 2FA instructions. Down here you'll see what the Enter 2FA code dialog box looks like. To finish the setup, simply click the Generate Secret Key button, select it, copy it, and paste it into the secret key field in the settings. Then all we have to do is publish our project. I'll simply go to Transmit, upload all the files, and then I'll visit the website. Here I'm on my two-factor authentication enabled PageSafe page. If I type in the 4-digit code and hit return, it unlocks the PageSafe and shows me my Enter two-factor authentication code dialog box. Since I have not set up my two-factor authentication with an authentication app, I won't be able to input the 6-digit code. So let's do that now. I'll be using 1Password for this, but you can use Google Authenticator or Microsoft's authenticating app as well, or any other authentication app that allows you to paste in the secret code in order to get the 6-digit two-factor authentication. If I edit this record in 1Password, you'll see that I have my password just 1234. This isn't important. I just have that in there so I can quickly autofill it. What I'll do is I will click the Add More and choose One-Time Password. In here I'll paste in that secret key that I was provided within Stacks. If I hit save, you'll see now that I have a one-time password 6-digit code that auto-cycles every 30 seconds. When using an authentication app like this, you usually just need to set it up once and you're good to go. Now that I have my code, I'll simply click on it to copy. I'll then come over to the 2FA authentication code dialog box, paste it in, click Verify, and the page is fully unlocked. Let's say that you need to change this secret key for some reason. It's very easy to do. All you have to do is preview the page, generate the key, copy it, paste it into the secret key, and publish your site. Then, re-upload your files. Go into whatever authenticator app you're using. Again, we're using 1Password. I'll click Edit. Select this one-time password secret key. Replace it with the new one. Save it. If I were to go to the website and I wanted to test this, I notice that I'm still logged in. So the easiest way to do this is to simply click Clear Your Cookies, and just for fun we'll clear cache as well. And now if I type in the 1234 passcode, I'll be prompted with the two-factor authentication dialog box. I will click to copy my one-time password, paste it in, click Verify, and I'm good to go. I hope you've enjoyed this demo for the 2FA for PageSafe stack by Stacks. Be sure to click the link in the description below to download.